Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Understanding Tool Use in AI. Imagine you're building a tool to make your life easier. In the world of AI, these tools are like the essential components of your development kit. Let's dive into the different types of AI tools and how they can help you build better applications. Imagine you're preparing your data like sorting a deck of cards for a game. This step is crucial before diving into building AI models. Feature engineering is like giving your data the right personality to make it easier for AI to understand. Think of machine learning models as the brains behind AI applications. They learn from data and make predictions. Deep learning is like a superpower that allows computers to understand complex patterns in vast amounts of data. NLP lets AI interact with humans in natural ways, just like how you do. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.